Today, class, we learn about a very peculiar expression, crocodile tears.
Oh no! Snaps! Your cake! Are you okay?
Something's fishy, and it's not just the river. Snap's tail is wagging with excitement, not trembling with sadness. Those eyes are wet, but his heart is cold. Time for a closer look. He's not sad about the cake, Bumbles. Bumbles, look at his mouth! He is just waiting for you to get close enough to be the second course!
And that, class, is a crocodile tear, an expression of false sorrow.
Oh, the misery! Give me your honey.
I almost fell for it. From now on, I'll check for a snack before I offer my honey. No more fake tears for this bear.